Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to access your client's account on Nest Connect. Accessing your client's accounts, that means your clients need to set you as a delegate organization before you can manage the account. So you have to provide the clients with your delegate organization ID and organization name. You will see your organization ID in the top right of your home page. You can find your organization name by selecting your account details and looking in My Business Details. Once they have these details, they can add you as their chosen delegate. It's as simple as that. Let me say that again. Your clients need to set you up as a delegate organization before you can manage their account. How do they set you up? You have to provide them with your delegate organization ID and organization name. Now, where do you find organization ID? You will see your organization ID in the top right of your home page. You can now find your organization name by selecting the option My Account Details and looking in the My Business Details section. So once you get this, give it to them, and once they have the details, they can add you as their chosen delegate. From there, you can start managing or accessing your client's accounts. Hope you found this video helpful.